Game press conference. We are joined by our winning coach, Coach Yang Giao, and our best player of the game, Santi Santillan. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Yang, third straight win for Rain or Shine. What do you think has been working well para sa team?
Well, we've been playing really good second halves. No? Yung tatlong panalo namin, medyo masama yung start. But we were able to recover in time. No? So we also survived 21 offensive rebounds. So very rarely will you win a game when you give up 21 offensive rebounds. We survived our own free throw misses. Buti na lang we had some big plays, crucial plays. Isa yung sa under the goal ni Santi na made basket na may end one. So I think it's just that we're getting our rhythm back. Bo is playing consistently. And then, nagbabalik na yung laro ni Andre. We're still not happy about our, sabi ko nga, free throw shooting percentages and our boxing out on rebounds because we gave up too many offensive rebounds. And I'm still not happy with our three-point shooting percentage. But we're finding ways to win, so I cannot complain too much.
Coach, you said it yourself, masamang first half. Even kanina, Blackwater was up and you guys were trailing. But we just want to know, how were you guys able to pick up the pressure and hold on to Blackwater and then turn things around, lalo na sa latter part na ng laro?
Well, we just tried to play better defense and execute better on offense. Alam namin magiging problema si Ray ng Batak dahil siyempre alam naman, natural naman na motivated ka to play really well against your former team. And maganda nilaro ni Ray, nagka-problema kami sa kanya. Abuti na lang nag-foul out. Then ang ganda nung isa pang Ray, si Ray Suerte naman. Wala talagang malas na laro si Ray Suerte. Talagang swerte parati. Kaya siya nagbigay naman ng problema sa amin nung bandang huli. But again, Santi, Bo, Jonard, Andre, they picked up the slack for us. Parang nung umpisa kasi hirap na hirap kami makahanap ng opensa namin. We weren't really in our flow. We weren't making our usual shots. Maybe you can credit that to the defense that they're playing against us. Itong Blackwater, I think they put together one of their best lineups since nabuo sila. They have the speed, they have the size, they have the shooting, scoring ability. So I just hope na they keep this lineup for long. Dahil ang tingin ko, panglaban tong lineup nila na to. Hirap talunin.
Thanks, Coach. Santi, this is your second career best, 28 points. Congratulations. In your previous game, you've also had double figures in terms of points. So ngayon, paano ka kaya nagiging consistent in terms of having, being aggressive sa opensa mo?
Like na sinabi ko sa iyo kanina, hindi ko iniisip na go-to guy talaga ako dito sa team na to. So, iniisip ko lang na maglaro para hindi ako ma-pressure. So, kung may opportunity na ako ipapasok ni coach, hindi ko sasayangin yung tiwala niya na makapasok sa game.
Kanina sabi mo rin sa akin, hindi mo, sinishare mo rin yung achievements mo sa teammates mo kasi hindi mo magagawa yun without your teammates. So gaano ka-importante para sa'yo na yung mga teammates mo may tiwala rin sa'yo na ipasa sa'yo yung bola and i-shoot mo siya?
Like, sinabi ko nga, hindi ko sasayangin yung mga tiwala nila, lalo na kay Kuya Bo tsaka kay Kuya Gabe, and yung mga veterano namin. So, yun, hindi ko sasayangin yung mga putbacks na yan, mga layup, mga 3 points yung papasok ko talaga yun. May tiwala ako sa sarili ko.